Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Vimal and welcome to Automation for Jira series. In this video, we will be talking about how by implementing automation into our projects, we can simplify certain processes in Jira by eliminating repetitive steps that we do on a daily basis. This is just a quick demo of use cases which I have implemented and I will be explaining you the steps in my next series of video. I will be showing the following use cases in this video. Number 1. Automatically create tasks for each story and auto assign them. Number 2. Automatically add highest priority bugs to sprint when the status being changed to in progress. Number 3. Automatically send status report on Slack and email for tasks not being completed. Number 4. Automatically mark a user story as done when all the tasks linked to it are marked as done. Number 5. Automatically change the status of a user story when a task linked is opened. Number 6. Automatically reopen the task when someone comments on the task. Number 7. Automatically assign tasks resources based on labels being assigned to. Now, before moving into that, let me ask you, what is Jira? For those of us working in IT industry, must be aware of Jira, but for those who don't know about Jira, it is one of the widely used project management tools across various organizations. It is owned by Atlassian. With Jira, it is much easier to create tickets and track the progress of the projects. Atlassian has also other products such as Confluence, where you can do the documentation work, which can be connected with Jira. Jira also has a wide variety of support for various plugins and apps such as Jenkins, GitHub, etc. Coming to our next question, which is why automation for Jira? Like everyone, I use Jira for managing various projects, but it consumes a lots of time and effort to create user stories, tasks, assign them to developers, and track the overall progress of projects. But having multiple projects at a time, it was becoming increasingly difficult for me to control all this. So I have been looking for different measures to reduce my time and effort. In that, I came to know about automation for Jira feature. After doing lots of research, I have implemented automation for few scenarios or steps that I do on daily basis, and trust me, it has helped me a lot by reducing my time and effort. For automation to work, I have used various JGL queries, smart values, webhooks, which I will be explaining all this in great detail in my next video series. In this video, I will be just giving a quick demo of these use cases. So let us begin. So first use case is automatically create tasks for each story and auto assign them. In this use case, we are trying to reduce the effort by automatically creating the tasks and auto assign them to the developers when we are creating a user story. A user story is like a smallest unit of work which has certain set of tasks to be completed within them. Upon the completion of this task only, a story is considered as complete. So, as you can see in this video, when a user story is created, its related tasks are also being automatically created and linked. It also auto assigns them to the respective developers. Our second use case is automatically add highest priority bugs to the active sprint when status being changed to in progress. You might be aware about the fact that in software development we often encounter bugs. Based on the priority, bugs could be categorized from lowest to highest. Usually we focus on high priority bugs more than the lower ones. Usually the bugs are being added into sprint backlogs by the tester. In this video, we are reducing the time and effort by automatically moving the highest and high priority bugs to the active sprint. The status is being changed to in progress from the sprint backlogs. Moving on to our next use case, which is to automatically send status report on email and Slack for tasks not being completed. In project management tools like Jira, we give sprints with a fixed start and end date. Each sprint has a certain set of given tasks that is to be completed in the given time frame. It often happens that the developers forget to change the status of tasks because of various reasons. So by doing automation with Jira, it will send the list of tasks to the teams on Slack and email them as a reminder for to update the status in case not being changed. Talking about the fourth use case, which is automatically mark user story as done when all the tasks linked to it are marked as done. Like previously said before, a user story is like a smallest unit of work which has certain set of tasks to be completed within them. Upon the completion of this task only, a story is considered as complete. So, in this video, you can see that a user story with tasks linked to it are being added on an active sprint. When I am moving all the tasks to be as the status as done, the story is being automatically marked as done. And if I move back all the tasks from done to do, it will automatically mark story to do as well. Our fifth use case is about to automatically change the status of a user story when a task linked is opened. In my previous video, you have seen that where when I change the status of tasks to be as done that are linked to a particular user story, then the story gets also marked as done. Similarly, in this video, if I am changing a particular task within a user story to be as in progress, when the remaining tasks are still in the status of to do, then the status of that user story opens up from to do to in progress automatically. The sixth use case is about to automatically reopen a task when someone comments on the task. I will be explaining you about this use case with the help of an example. Suppose when in an active sprint, a task is marked as done, but for some reasons the client or let's say QA comments on the task. When that happens, this task will be automatically moved to the reopened section. So this will help the teams to review that task easily. And talking about the last use case in this video is to automatically assign the task to resources based on labels being assigned to them. So in our last section of this video, we will be looking into automatically assigning the tasks to team members with the help of labels. When creating a task in Jira, we have options to assign those tasks to team members, but we have to assign them manually every time, which is a very time consuming process. In this video, you will see how by creating a task and assigning the label to them will automatically assign those tasks to the respective team member. These labels are being different for different members. You can create or add them based on unit of work a team member has to do. In this video, I will be assigning the task to myself, the label as front end.